So today we're just installing some of those blinking brake lights. So I figured since I'm taking out the tail light, I might as well show you guys a video for my customers too. So step on the brake. So since my customers always ask me all the time how to take these things off, might as well make a video for you guys. So they blink a couple times and they turn solid red when you step on the brake. So in this video I'm just going to show you guys how to take off the tail light on a 10th gen Civic hatchback. Should probably be the same for the 2-door, 4-doors. So you just take off those 2 screws right there. After that you pull this back, well not really back, kind of wiggle it around at an angle until you get those two to pop out. Those two pop out sideways, not straight back. Some cars are different. Some pop out sideways, some pop out straight back. These pop out sideways. My Tahoes, the ones on my Tahoe pop out straight back. So just make sure when you're putting pressure, you're not just yanking it back this way because you don't want to break those tabs. So after those 2 screws are off, we always tape around everything when we take stuff off, just because some of these tail lights or headlights sometimes have like metal screws or a metal bracket or something inside. You don't want to take that off and slide it up or down or something and scratch up your paint. So it is going to be kind of complicated. It doesn't come out super easy, so don't get discouraged or whatever from that. Just remember you're applying pressure this way, not back. So there you go. That's exactly how they come off. When you switch the bulbs, just check which one. If you're doing this to switch the bulb, we're doing the brake lights, so we're going to be taking off this one. If we were doing the reverse light, we'd do this bottom one, or the turn signal would be this one. Also, when you guys do LEDs, if you guys are doing LEDs, most of these lights are not canvas. So since they're not canvas, they are polarity sensitive, so it doesn't matter which way you plug them in. So if you plug it in this way and it's not working correctly, all you got to do is flip it around, plug it this way. Hopefully this video helps you guys out. To put it back in, push these 2 in sideways. You push these 2 in sideways right there, and then after that you just put those 2 screws back on, and then that's it, you're done. Step on the brakes. Blinking brake lights, they blink a couple of times and then they stay solid.